Day 18 of the election fraud trial saw 93-year-old Kit Nascimento, an advisor to President Irfaan Ali, and an independent observer during the 2020 elections, return to the witness box, where he was grilled by defense lawyers Eusi and Dexter Todd. When asked by Anderson whether his views on the government remained the same after the no-confidence vote and the post-2020 election period, Nascimento replied, quote-unquote, "I prefer not to express those views." This response prompted defense attorney Nigel Eusi to object, stating that the witness appeared to be avoiding questions not favorable to the prosecution and questioned the grounds on which he was refusing to respond. Magistrate Faith McGusty intervened, saying she would record that the witness had refused to answer, allowing the court and defense to draw inferences. When asked if he has a job description for his current role under President Ali, the witness replied yes. However, when pressed further on the details of that job description, Nascimento stated, quote-unquote, "I am under no obligation to disclose that." Magistrate McGusty again reminded the witness that he has a duty to answer questions and said if he continues to refuse, the court will draw its own conclusions. When asked how he felt about the swearing-in of the PPPC government on August 2, 2020, the witness said, quote-unquote, "The right government was elected." Anderson then put to him that the modus operandi of the Private Sector Commission, PSC, during the elections appeared to oppose the APNU-AFC government. The witness denied that assertion. Anderson, in closing, suggested that Nascimento was never truly an independent observer, but had always been an agent of the PPPC. Nascimento firmly rejected the claim, calling it, quote-unquote, "totally offensive and insulting." Attorney Dexter Todd then questioned the witness about the central allegation of a conspiracy to rig the elections. When asked if he had any evidence that the accused individuals changed numbers, Nascimento said no. He also answered no when asked if the accused had agreed to change numbers or facilitate such acts by others. This ongoing case involves several former GCOM officials and political operatives who are facing 19 charges related to electoral fraud. The prosecution is expected to call approximately 73 witnesses. Tiana reporting for the HGP 93 News.